If you're looking for a cold beer in downtown Aztec, 550 Brewing has reopened for business in a newly renovated building on East Chuska Street. You're watching the Farmington Local News, brought to you by San Juan Regional Medical Center and the Big Idea Makerspace at San Juan College. I'm Ryan Simonovich. 550 Brewing originally opened in 2013 under the ownership of Mike Paschall and his son Sean, but the brewery closed its doors in 2023 when Mike became ill. Now, Mike's daughter, Micah Fiske, has revived the family business.
We decided to reopen, and I had to renovate so I could brew over here. So that was quite the project, to be honest. It's a lot of work. We've been getting going ever since. You have to wait for the state, so it's a little bit of a process. But once we got that going, we've been trying to get brewing again and getting it going.
The licensing and renovation process took about 8 months. The brewery has 3 of its own beers on tap and serves New Mexico-made beer and spirits.
I have the Irish Red Ale, the Honey I'm Home Blonde, and our Ginormous Stout, and then I have our Vato in the fermenter right now. And we'll be doing the Mile High next, which is our IPA. I think people are excited for that.
The location hosts food trucks on the weekends, and patrons are welcome to bring outside food. The brewery has pool and foosball inside and extensive outdoor patio seating. Fiske said she hopes to attract customers by being an active member of the Aztec community.
They've just been so amazing. Everyone has. We just see so much support, and we're trying to do yoga on Wednesdays. Maddie Carter does that for us, and as long as we can just keep events down here and keep some nothing too loud, because I do love my neighbors in the neighborhood and I want to be respectful. I think just collaborating with other businesses would be really awesome. And we've got a lot of support from Randy over at Rubio's, and so it's been nice. It's been nice coming back.
Learn more at farmingtonlocal.news. Thanks for tuning in to the Local News Network. I'm Ryan Simonovich.